How to clear Reddit history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, click on the avatar or profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on history at the bottom. And once you're here, you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on clear history. And as you can see, your history has been cleared. And yeah, it's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear Reddit history and delete it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.